Hey, what's going on, home improvement bitches? It is Los of the Most. It is a soggy Sunday afternoon. The boys in blue are having their butts handed to them by the Pittsburgh Steelers, so I thought I'd take a quick game break and knock out a project. So what I have is an old work light. It's my dad's. Love you, Dad. And unfortunately, the plug-in done ran off. I think I can fix it. I saw a quick video on YouTube, but I don't think it's going to take much more than a minute or two. Probably take longer to film this than actually get it done. So I discovered an additional 2 screws to get the actual wires loose. So we're free. Okay, I tested the depth of this, and it seems to be a little bit longer than the exposed wire. And if I remember my dad telling me, you don't want that, so I'm gonna snip a little bit off of that and make sure that it's flush. Okay, small little adjustment, but as you can see here, it's nice and flush. So tighten up the screws on that bad boy and move on. Okay, I managed to put it all back together. Unfortunately, can't test it. I need a different kind of light bulb. I think it's a smaller, like a candelier like that. So got a little bit of time left on the boards for another project that I had in mind for this soggy Sunday afternoon. I just checked in on the score. The Seahawks scored a touchdown, matches the Steelers touchdown, so we'll see what happens. Deuces for now.